What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Dopely, you know what it is, and I'm back with another video. I have an unboxing of random things that I wanted, needed, and just put in my cart to buy. It's some more stuff, but they're not coming until July, and I wasn't gonna wait until the mid of July for that. So we're gonna jump right into this video, and I'm gonna show y'all. But before I go into this video, I want to show y'all my shirt that is by Honey, my girl on Instagram. So make sure you guys check her out. She make her own clothing. She dope. She got some new material. She just got some new material that she about to play with. So she'll be sending me some more stuff, and I'll be showing you guys exactly. So make sure you check that out. I got a picture up here from my Instagram of shouting out, promoting her. So make sure you guys check her out. Her information will be right here on the screen. You know how I do it. Always supporting people, as always, as I love to. Okay, so gotta make sure my boobs don't come out, because we don't need that. So we're about to open up these two first. Let me not show y'all my address. Just open up these two first. Then we're gonna open up the box. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I opened up this one because it got something in here that I needed today. Because your girl been falling short on her concealer. So I got me some LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. So yeah, I grabbed some of that. Make sure my boobs not coming out, y'all. For real, like, I gotta make sure. Because y'all be trying to sneak a peek. Okay, so yeah, I got this from Amazon. I don't know how much it was. Probably like $4, $5. Then I also got some waxing sticks. And also some more waxing sticks. Also got some cloths, you know, to take it off with. So the reason why I got this is because I do wax my own self. I've been doing that before the quarantine. The only time I don't wax myself is when I'm like going out of town or something like that, you know, so I don't have to go through the struggle. But in reality, I like to wax my own cootie cat, my cootie mama, my vagina, whatever y'all like to call it. I just don't like to call it the P word. Comment down below if you hate the P word. So yeah, I got some of that. So this gonna last me a good minute. Alright, next package. Okay, I also got some more of my acid lightening soap. Make sure you guys check out my skincare routine, because it's updated. And I talk about this, so yeah, I got some more of this, because your girl was slacking. So if you haven't seen the video, don't know what this is, go check it out so you know what this is. So yeah, I got some more of these. They come 3 in a pack, which I love. Alright, box time. Box time. Box time. I love opening a box. I just love packages coming to my place, period. Am I the only one? Alright, box. I'm about to play games. Alright. Alright. Okay, so I think these are my lights. These are my growing lights for my plants. Make sure you guys check out my plant video, because they'll be posted before this. This right here, I need these because I'm growing my herbs, as y'all seen in the last video. My veggies and my fruits and herbs and stuff that I'm growing. I need growing lights so they can grow good, because I don't get that much of a good sunlight in my place. Right now the blinds is closed, but only right here and only in the dining room I get good sunlight. Everywhere else, no. So I keep my pothos and my snake plants and my cactuses. Well, cactus need a lot of light too, but I got a whole different light for it. But that's a whole different story. So I got my lights, my babies. So each of these is just like my other one. It got a timer on it, set for 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours. Using my plants needs 6 to 8 hours. No more than that. I ain't trying to kill my babies. But yeah, I just hooked this on to my nursery. Like I said, if you guys have not seen my plant tour video, make sure you check it out and you see me use these. So yeah, I like this. I like my other one too. So bet. Alright, we got those, and we got some instructions, some we don't need because they just like the other ones. Alright. Oh my god. I was so excited to get this. My facial steamer, warm mist. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. And it comes with 2 free beauty blenders. Sorry, y'all. Y'all like my hair? I meant to ask y'all. Y'all like my hair? I did something different. But yeah, it comes with 2 beauty blenders. So make sure y'all check out my video up here when I talk about this. So it'll be a review up before I even put this up. So check that out, because I'm gonna have fun with this. Oh yeah. Okay, next thing I got is my singing. Okay, I meditate, and everybody know anything about meditation or chakras and all that good spiritual goodness that I love. These are my singing bowls holder. I haven't got my singing bowl yet because it's coming in late. A singing bowl is a bowl that makes sounds when you meditate. So that's a whole different video for that I don't have, because I'm not fully there with all my chakras lined up. I'm working on my second chakra, and it is 7 chakras. So I'm only on my second one. So I have 5 more to go. So 7, I'm on my second one, so yeah, I got 5 more to go. So yeah, back to what I was saying. These are the holders. So let's say if this was a bowl. Oh, we got a bowl right here. It's a little smaller, but usually the bowl is about this big. Just imagine having a bowl and it goes in here just to hold it, and then you got, that's if you know about it. If not, look it up. But anyways, I got 2 of them. They so cute. I'm getting my meditation room together, so I'm able to be at peace with all my candles and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what this is. Told y'all this stuff was random. Straight random stuff. I'm gonna put my bowl back for you, Cody. You know, Cody, he gotta have his bowl. Look at my baby. Ain't he cute? My other baby's back here too, but let me show y'all Sadu. Sadu is a Japanese spurge. Ain't she beautiful? She growing like crazy though. It's my baby. Okay, back to let's go back to the lifestyle that we doing right now, and that's unpacking. Okay, breast is in place. Last thing that I got, because other stuff is coming later, which is annoying. But anyways, I got my humidifier for my plants, for my babies up here. And then I gotta get another one. I don't know why I didn't get 2 for my nursery. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen my plant video, you won't know what I'm talking about. So make sure you check that out. Yeah, it's my humidifier. It is the white one, is it? I don't know what color I got. Does it say white? They don't say what color. Anyways, yes, that's what I got. This is what it looks like, and it keeps my plants moist and mist and growing. Cause some plants depends. Some plants like a lot of water, or some plants don't like a lot of water, but they like a lot of misting. Plants are weird. Believe it or not, you gotta learn each plant differently. So yeah, I got that. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So I feel bad that I ain't got any more stuff, but all the stuff late because of freaking quarantine. Sick of this quarantine. But anyways, make sure you guys check out her Instagram, and make sure you guys go ahead and buy some, because this girl is lit. Okay, she go. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Tell me what's the best thing that you want, the best thing that you've seen that I unboxed, because it's not that many, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I be getting confused at the end, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace out.